So this is where I review gaming mice these days, and the problem is that the LEDs I use to light the back actually flicker on camera. They're not high quality. This is a very common issue for cheap LEDs. I also don't have much control over them, so I've been looking for alternatives. Corsair announced the LS100, so I reached out to them and asked if I could get some in exchange for a video. This video isn't sponsored, but yes, they were sent to me for review. Here's the thing though, if I like them and they're good, I'm going to buy more for my other setups, so I will be able to tell you if I think they're worth it. In the starter kit, you get the 2 shorter light bars and 2 long. USB cable to connect to the external lighting controller, so this sits outside of your PC, power cable, extension cables, and the adhesive strips for the magnets. In the smaller expansion kit, you get the 2 light bars that are about 25 centimeters each, adhesive strips and extension cables. And in the bigger pack, you get the same, but the bars are bigger and about 45 centimeters long. Here it is hooked up. It has 2 LED ports at the back and a button to turn them off and on. So this just goes to the PC. According to the software, I think you can only have about 3 small and 3 long, or 5 long only, depends on the configuration. But because there are 2 lighting ports, you can easily put a starter kit and both expansion kits. And you can probably already see that focusing the camera directly on them makes them look white, even on lower settings. It's actually the reflections that allow us to see the colors. So I'm going to position these so they reflect off the wall. The magnets are actually on the light bars, and they give you these bits of metal with adhesive on the back. So make sure you get an idea of where they should go first, because they're very hard to take off. I'm putting them on the back of the monitor like this, and on the back of the desk. Also, because cases are metal, you can put the light bars straight on, no need for adhesive. And this is how it looks. The lights at the front here are from the Sound Blaster X Katana. Corsair software is probably the best for RGB stuff, so here's a look at it. You can go really in depth with it, but it's a bit out of my league. I don't have the time to really get into it, so I'm just going to use rainbow or static color. So that's how my mouse reviews are being lit up these days. I think it looks awesome. Glad I finally have some smooth lighting. And yes, I'm going to buy even more for my other setups. All I want now is some Corsair RGB flood lamps, something to really light up the rooms. These are just for small trim lighting. They're great, but they're not really going to light up a wall or room. So Corsair RGB team, please make this product for me. Some big globes or something. Love your work, thanks. Anyway, hope that helps. Usual links in the description if you want to help support what I do. Subscribe, like and share this video, and I'll catch you in the next.